I'm in a field of sugar beets. Sugar makes me think of donuts. And next month is vegan month. I'm going to make some vegan donuts. Hello, I'm Amalie Bakes and I'm going to be making some vegan donuts. You will need some old carrots and bits of cabbage. Psych! Yasmin requested me to use Christina Kajina's vegan recipe donuts. They look delicious. You will need 6 tablespoons of aquafaba, which is actually chickpea water, 90 millilitres of water, 150 millilitres of coconut milk, 57 grams of coconut oil, and 454 grams of bread flour, 57 grams of sugar, 5 grams of yeast, and jam or any other vegan fillings is desired for the filling. I've got some lukewarm water and I'm going to pour my yeast in, and I'm going to add a pinch of sugar to help it activate, and we're going to put that aside for about 5 minutes. I have poured all my dry ingredients, the flour and the sugar, into my bowl. Now I'm going to make a little well in the middle to add the yeast. And now I'm going to add the aquafaba, which is chickpea water, coconut oil that has been melted, and lastly the coconut milk. I've got my dough hook on now, and I'm going to mix it until it becomes a nice dough. Now I need to get it out and put it on a floured surface. First, I'm just going to sip it. I put a bit too much in. We're going to get it out. It's all stuck to my hand. I'm going to knead it by hand for about 10 minutes. Now I'm going to leave it to rise. I'm just going to scrape it all off though. So I'm going to put this in this bowl here. And I'm going to get a cloth. We're going to cover it up and leave it in a warm place. My dough has definitely proved and doubled, so now we're going to give it a little bit of a knead and cut the donuts. So if we just get it, ooh, the bottom looks a bit like a marshmallow, melted marshmallow, when you melt it. Wow, it's very big. Right, now I'm going to roll it with this rolling pin. It's not sticky like it was before. Just move that out of the way. And we need to roll it half an inch, I think. So now I'm going to cut out my donuts. I'm making ring donuts. So I don't know how this is going to go, so I'm just going to put, ooh, it's a bit like a pizza dough thing. Pizza dough, not dough. I don't know. We could also use that as like a donut ball. So I'll put that on the parchment paper too. And get the ring. Uh-oh. There we go. So now I'm going to plunk them in. I'm scared. Yes! Did one. Do a little one. See how that does. Don't want to burn myself. Oh, come off. There we go. Now I'm going to put them in for about 5 minutes, I think. Sizzling. One's turning over, kind of. Oh my gosh! Like, from the middle of the ring one, I can see it's all gone golden brown, and one of these small ones have just, like, gone risen and puffed. I'm going to do the ring one first, because I feel like that one, that's one that's, oh no, go away. Actually, I'm going to do that one. There we go, one's, like, really brown. That's made me happy. There we go. There we go. Turn that back around. There we go. Oh, look at them. They're all golden brown. That's made me happy. Oh, yes! And they smell like proper donuts. Like, when you make proper donuts. So, maybe not 5 minutes, because that might burn them. But until, like, you can kind of see on the sides they're golden brown. So, I want to touch it, but I'm not. It'll probably be really hot. There's only a little bit, I think. Yeah, on that side, that's nearly done. That's nearly done, and that's nearly done. We've got a bowl with some paper towels in, and we're going to dry them off, and then dip them in some sugar. First 3 are like done. And then they're all going to dry a bit while we put the next ones in. With the leftovers, I made, tried to make some Cheerios, but this is how they turned out. Not the greatest. So I'm gonna, these are like cool enough. I'm gonna plonk it in, I think. And just, oh yes, yes. I'm like a donut master. I could make these all day long, you know, but hard work. And then I'm gonna get another bowl for once they're done. Roll it in a load of sugar. And just hear the, oh, that crisp. And I'm gonna do this one. I don't think I need a fork actually. I think I can just go. And then this one, and then I'm going to check on my other ones. Now I'm going to check on these. Oh yeah, these can turn. Oh yeah, they're golden brown. They look like croissants. That one looks like a chicken drumstick. These are my donuts. They look so yummy and delicious. Now I'm gonna break one apart and eat one. I'm gonna get a plate though. Here. Right, taste test. They're nice. So yummy and delicious. Thanks to Yasmin for the recommendation, and thanks to Christina Katina for the recipe. Thanks for watching. Bye. It's a beer. Right, okay.